was in shock. But then you called me. I didn't call you.
Oh, I didn't mean anything. Shit, I was trying to
Sure, I understand. It was just big talk. Is that it? You like to play with fire, but you don't like to cook. You're not as good as you claim.
Motherfucker, we in PA right now. We get it in everywhere, nigga. Ohio, PA, New York, New Jersey. This gonna be the new slogan, nigga.
You know, it's Mulah, everything fucking golden. You said the wrong thing. We go hard, we rockin' with BlessDaMiCDvd, we fucking with that street shit. We ain't fucking with that fraud shit, right? We in these streets, baby. Already, you know, we go hard and all that. Shout out to home team, we go hard. You know, my man Mulah, you know, he moving in rinks and all that. Mulah what? Mulah you talking about?
3 times.
Mulah 3 times, yeah. I mean, 2017. You know, the fact that he even got that name, man, make that nigga a target in some sense. And like I said, that nigga been antagonizing me his whole career, man. Listen, man. That niggas know what it takes to make that happen, you dig? So when the shit is right and niggas is ready, and I hope he ready.
When you broke it down to me, yeah, that makes sense.
I'm popping out, man. Bless the mic, man. Mulah versus Mulah, man. Mulah 1 time versus Mulah 3 times, nigga.
Yeah,
you dig?
just tell him so.
1 time, you dig? The best nigga, you feel me? You know what I mean? Swaggy, what's wrong with these niggas, swag? You dig?
Let that shit out.
First nigga, you feel me? Like the best nigga. And crazy thing is the other nigga was out first. I just happened to make it more popping and then it came out of nowhere, you dig? Now I'm gonna have to show niggas what it's really about. So like I said, man, niggas get that situation right, you dead, nigga.
Talk about it, man. Shout out to the Golden Squad, man.
You already know.
You already know.
Golden forever, man.
Salute to Pep, my nigga.
Facts. Salute Pep. Salute my nigga Wally Doc. Shout out to Furious, you already know. Baby home soon. I'm about to turn up on y'all niggas, man. Y'all know what's up.
You know what I'm saying? How you feel about doing this 2-on-2 with you and your newfound love and all that? You know?
We talked about it. We not really, you know what I mean? You know, we got a battle that's dropping soon. We actually battle.
All right.
So, you know what I mean? I look out for that. The first couple battle
right.
rap.
Copy.
You know what I mean?
You went crazy?
We both went crazy. We make history. She's a beast. Niggas know. Like, her pen is elite. She one of the only niggas that stood with me, that stood toe to toe with me this year and made it, you know what I mean? And made it look like something. It didn't look like, damn, it's just abusing this nigga. You know what I mean? She came to play, you dig? So, salute to her, you know what I mean? If y'all don't know who that is, at Furious Styles, everything, you know what I mean? Go on Instagram, go on YouTube, Furious Styles, check that out, you know what I mean? She fire. And look out for that battle, man. We go hard, everything golden.
You already know, man. Your boy, man. You said the wrong thing, man.
Facts, you said the wrong thing, man.
Swish.
Cortez, and you know what I've been doing for the fucking forever. This battle rap shit is blessing the motherfucking mic. So make sure y'all logged on, follow the page. I know what it is, BlessDaMiCDvd. Fuck with us, we in the streets though, for real.